Getting the printed circuit board from the back seems to be a good way to find places where the solder has not got correctly been deployed. You see, there is a hole here seen, and I'll have to see the other side. What is the situation? This is the location where that hole was seen. We'll have to see the reverse side also. This is the location. It's a magnified view. We can see that the solder is not properly connected. The pad here is good. This solder pad is good, but this solder pad does not look like a good connection. So that could be a problem.